I'll start by sharing my repository. So this is my repository, and then I have the this this is the work I have done so far. So the link I'll share even in the chat, in the chat stream of on call, of on track. Then I'll just um clone my code. From here I'll go to Visual Studio Code to open the code there. Now I'll clone Git repository. I'll Please hold on. I have to open a new window. I open a new window, so I'll have to minimize or close the previous one. Then I clone Git repository. I drop the file. Yep. So I'll just then host it on this desktop and then just select open. Yeah. While it open, I have my database that I've set up. This is for my individual projects, and then I have data running in my database. Everything is fine. Yeah, so those I have data in my database running and everything is fine. Yeah, this is my database. Yeah, I connected my personal um base to it, and also I've tested the codes on Postman and they were very okay. So I'll just open this code now and navigate through to, yep. So I don't have seems to have node modules here, so I'll have to go to my terminal to run npm install to have node modules on my project. So while I have node modules now, I will then go and open from the browser. My URL is 5050. Yep. So I'll go to the browser now to launch the browser. Okay, maybe I have to minimize this, or I can use anyone. Okay, yeah. So I have the browser now. So I'll go to localhost. I use 5050. So I'll just copy this and put it here. So localhost 5050. Sorry, not 8080. It's 5050. 5050. And I have to go on npm run start. Sorry, I haven't npm run start dev, npm run start dev. Yep. Yeah, so I've started. Its app is leading at port 5050. Yep. So um I have my service page opened. If I have to minimize it so that it will capture everything. Yep. So this is it. This is my service page, and if we navigate here, click on this nav. Yeah, we can actually put something here, Ali. Yeah, and then put something here, Ali, and also put something here. It works. It's responsive. Then I'll just have to come here to click in. So once I click in, I come over to here. So this is my chat. I was able to do this was what I was able to achieve with the chat. Like if someone wants to connect with other person, so an individual business organization or a corporate business organization can just come over here, and then I have this. So these are my basic so I've sent this information like, hi, doing incidents reports. I'll just write something and I can send the message. Yes, the other person can, hi, doing incidents report. So these are my basic crude functions. I have a this addition icon here for materialize, so I can actually add project ID, project, let's say project ID 9, and then project title alpha, and then project information great. Yep. So I will have to here click on here. I'll add the picture. Then I'll just insert. So once I insert, I think it's already here. Yeah, this is alpha. I don't have to resend to it. So this is project alpha. This is great. So if I want to, I just click this one to open. Yeah. And I also have the delete function that automatically deletes. If I click it, it deletes the project. That was what I was able to achieve. I've also written other codes back end, but to an extent, this is what I was able to achieve. I hope this it's a little bit acceptable. Thank you. Hello, my name is Abosede, and I want to share my screen right now to show what I have done so far in SIT 7 to 5. So I'll share my screen now. So this is my repository and this is my code. So if I go here, I'll just clone this code and then go open it on Visual Studio Code. Yeah, this is it. I've already opened and I've done, yep, I have node modules. So, and I've also started my, but for this purpose, I have to stop it and then start my server again so that, and see what I've done. So I've done npm run start step. So it say user is connected, app port litany at 50/50. So I'll just go to my port 50/50. So localhost 50/50. So this is my service page. If I scroll down, it's actually, so you say welcome to cyberspace, where you can find solutions based on archived project on cybersecurity and upload your own solutions. You can find solutions such as malware analysis, strategies and defense systems, vulnerability tracking, SLA and policy evaluation, trainings and incidents reporting. So to begin, you have to put your full name and your last full name, which is your first name and your last name and your email address. And once you've done that, you just click. It automatically open an account for you by doing that, and then you receive. So once you do that, you just click, yeah, just say click me, then go to click me. So once you've done that, you can add, these are the archives, these are the ones that have been there that other people has done. So you can actually send a notification and drop it like, hi, I am doing a malware analysis. So you can drop this, you send the message to whoever logs on to this who knows that you are doing analysis. So to add your own project to start with, you come over here, you create your own project, like let's say malware analysis. Sorry, you have to create a project ID. You can give your project ID 12. Then you have to do, my project is on malware analysis. Malware analysis. Yeah, and project information. This contains recent, we can say ransomware incidents. So I'll just go here, I'll just add uh I'll just add the, what's it called, picture. I can add any picture here. Let's say I add, I'm looking for the picture I need to add. Let me see, I'll just go here. I can just add anything to it. You can say, okay, let me add this one to it. Like, this is what I'm adding to it. This contains recent ransomware analysis. So this one has EF's cryptography because of the yeah. So that is just it. If I don't have to refresh it. I can also open another one. Say this is project 14, and then what I'm doing now is I'm doing cryptography. Yeah, cryptography. And then the project information, this contains steps steps of encryption. Okay, encryption. Yep, I can just add something to it, anything, um like I've gotten a picture here somewhere here. Yep, I'll just add this to it. I don't know where this is, what it is. This is, um, yep, I can just check it here. It's here, right here. I have it here. I have it. I'll just then, yep, I can just put this and then add, and then I'll just insert. And so I have a cryptography here. So that is what my project is able to do right now. I'm gonna say hi, just uploaded project on cryptography. Yep. So I'll just drop that. Anyone that comes to this will be able to see this. And then also I have a database that is up and running. I'll just navigate to my database now. And then I have my code up to date with what I showed here. So this is my how to yep. So I've gotten codes here. And I'll also quickly go to my repository to show so I have the controller in place. Yeah, so we had project control. I have the database that contains the database, fixed API. I have the public folder that has the environment. In the environment was where I have the chats, append this thing on my front end, then the connections where I have my codes here, the list of codes here, and then I also have their index project.html and my CSS. I also have my routes where I have the project and the students where so I use the controller, the MVC model. I have get project, insert project, and send status that's connected to the router. The same for the students. Yeah, that gives the response, request and response, the get APIs, the post, the put, and the delete. And also I have my services. Yeah, the services is connected, project services. This is connected to projects. You can see get all projects. These are the codes. I also have my test. Yeah, where I have the test.js and test project.js file that returns all projects, the APIs. Yeah, then I've also gotten my package.json is in order. I have all the dependencies and installed the Mocheche, the MongoDB, Socket IO, Express course, everything in order. Yeah, I did remember to change the repository to my own. All right, that's okay. Then I have a README my README said this is my an updated service page for your project work in cybersecurity. The boilerplate is very basic and should be used as a training ground. Just for me a training ground. It features basic crude functions. It uses MVC model and controller. It is based on materialized or UI interface, HTML and CSS, and shared on GitHub public state. So small business and language organizations can can use navigation bar to create a project card. This is quite basic and handy. Prior to this work, a wireframe was done and a step-by-step work sessions make up this work. It comprises of JavaScript sockets, IO for real-time communication. It uses Ajax query for advanced manipulation. So after installing, you have to run start npm start or after installing run the server using it should be npm run start dev. Oh, I didn't write the updated I didn't write it I need to update this readme and then upload it. So I hope that this make a little bit of sense, and then yeah, this is all I can achieve for now. Thank you. Duration, that's 2 minutes.